Hello everybody, you are welcome to my channel. This is Elion Educational Consult. Today I'll be putting us through how to construct a simple link mechanism. The link mechanism is the path traced out by a point moving in relation to some specified constraints. A link can be defined as a rigid body having two or more pairing elements which connect it to other bodies for the purpose of transmitting motion. We have an example here. Question says draw a link mechanism having a link 100 mm and a crank 40 mm. So the first thing we are going to be doing here is to draw the given crank. The given crank is diameter 40 mm, which will be in form of a circle. So I will measure 20 to draw a circle of diameter 40 mm. So this the circle. So can place here. Draw my crank. So the next thing for me to do is to divide this crank into 12 equal parts. So I will be doing that now offline. So as you can see now, I've been able to divide the crank into 12 equal parts. If you don't know how to do this, you can look at my previous video on division of circle into equal parts, either by the set square method or compass method. So you learn more on that. So the next thing I'm going to do here, we are given the length of the link. The length of the link is 100 mm. So that is 10 mm. So I will measure 10 mm from 10 centimeters, sorry, from the ruler. That is 10 centimeter. That is 100 mm. So we have this. Make sure it is accurate. Okay, fine. So we have this. So we are going to be placing this length of link at each point and draw and strike. And now this is what I mean. At each division, this is for 1. So the corresponding number is 7. 1 and 7 correspond. So I'll place at 7 now. So this is my 1/7. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I can do that quickly. Okay, let me just finish up marking each of the points. So the next one is 2. 2 and 6 correspond. So this is 2 and 6. So next one is 3. 3 and 5 correspond. So this is 3/5. The next one is 4. So we have 4 here. So we come to the other side. 12 and 8 correspond. So this is for 12. Then go to 8. So this is 8/12. Next one is 11 and 9. This for 11, then for 9. So this is 9, 11. Then lastly, we have 10. So this is my 10, the point, each of the points. So like that. So the next thing we are going to be doing, from each of the division with extend to meet the corresponding length. So which is obviously the length of the link. So for 1, we have 1 and 7. So 1, so you draw a line to meet 1, both up and down. Yes, draw a line to meet that. So simultaneously as we draw the line, you get the midpoint. if you are to finish drawing all of the line, may be confusing for you to get the midpoint. So I will get the midpoint immediately. Now the midpoint of the link is 50. So this is 50. Place at this one. So take note of the midpoint here. Then place at 7. Take note of this. So this is the midpoint. That is the midpoint. Okay, so the next one, I'll go to another number, so I come like this. So next one is 2 and what? 2 and 6. So 2 and 6, you will do same for down. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. Alright, then you take your compass. We already have it at length 50. You can also cross check. If your compass is loose, you can tighten it up here. Then we'll place our 2. Take note of the length, so just follow the line. This is our line, so this is for 2. Then do the one down also. So take note. Okay, so next one is 3. Look for where you have 3. This 3 and 5. So you patiently do that for each division. Okay, then you do the down part. Make sure it is at that 3 and 5. So take our length 50, place at 3, then trace out the line. This is the line, don't be confused. So you have that. Then you go to 5, you have that. So take note of the point. This is our point. For that we have our point. So the next thing we are going to do now is for 4. 4 is already there, the line is there already, so you place at 4, get the midpoint. So this is the midpoint for 4. So you have this. So you can see we have one part tracing out ellipse. So we go to the next side, which is 12 and please be careful, just take note of the point here. 12 and 8. So that is it, that is the point. Trace the line. Then 12 and 8, place at 12 and 8 here. Okay, that is fine. So place here, get the midpoint of the line. So this is the midpoint. So next one for the down, this is the midpoint. So next one is 9, west line 9 and 11. So this is the point. So we connect that. You have to patiently do that. Okay, then do for 11. So you have that done. So you get the midpoint as well. Okay, then for 9, where is the midpoint? So this is the midpoint for these two. Then finally 10, don't need to draw the line, so we have it like this. So this is 10. So the next thing is we are going to take our French curve to connect the points together. So I will do that now. So we have this point. Adjust the French curve a little to be able to pick the point. So you have this like that. So we look for other parts. So we have the other parts here. So I draw these 2 points first. I will have the other part join this way. We have another part here. So it remains to connect this part. So finally we have this part. So this is our link mechanism drawn. Thank you very much. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe. God bless you.